Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss porridge. We will begin by understanding the wonderful health benefits this superfood offers. Then, we will gather all the necessary ingredients, which are surprisingly few and easy to find. Finally, I will guide you through each simple step to prepare a warm, comforting, and incredibly nutritious breakfast that you will absolutely love. To start, you will need about 1 cup of dried sea moss. It is crucial to soak this in fresh water for a minimum of 6 hours or even overnight to rehydrate it fully. Next, have 2 cups of your favorite plant-based milk ready, such as almond or oat milk. Don't forget your sweeteners, like agave or maple syrup, and any warming spices you enjoy, like cinnamon or nutmeg. After soaking, rinse your sea moss very well. Then, blend the rehydrated sea moss with 1 cup of fresh water until it forms a smooth, thick gel. Pour the sea moss gel into a saucepan with your 2 cups of plant-based milk, sweeteners, and spices. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over low to medium heat, stirring frequently for about 15 minutes until it thickens. Your delicious sea moss porridge is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it warm for a comforting breakfast or chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing treat. Feel free to customize it with your favorite toppings, such as fresh berries, sliced bananas, a sprinkle of nuts, or an extra drizzle of maple syrup. Store any remaining porridge in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.